Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is bringing complete ADAS advanced driver assistance systems calibration to workshops. The calibration platform that can simplify and standardize ADAS advanced driver assistance systems calibration, combining digital automation with flexible deployment for diverse workshop environments. The central panel PC connects via cloud databases to provide always up-to-date calibration specifications and original targets. Gutmann Solutions has launched the CSC Tool PRO, a fully digital calibration platform. Designed to guide technicians from initial setup through to the final calibration report, the system supports manufacturer-level accuracy and comprehensive documentation, helping workshops meet rising regulatory and technical requirements in ADAS Advanced Driver Assistance Systems service. The advantages of the platform are most visible in practical applications across independent workshops, commercial service centers, and vehicle inspection facilities. Two integrated 3D cameras enable automated, precise alignment of targets and reflectors, while a central panel PC connects to cloud-based calibration specifications to ensure up-to-date data for a wide range of vehicle models. The platform combines optional chassis pre-check that can reduce miscalibrations by verifying axle geometry in advance. Flexible front radar solutions via the Radar Kit IEVO or the freestanding radar tool allow calibration of modern front, rear, and side radar systems, includes models from BMW. The guided workflows walk technicians step by step through target positioning, measurements, and data capture, minimizing errors and producing consistent results. The system's features provide the technical foundation for these advantages. An 86-inch rotatable, anti-glare Ultra HD monitor accommodates large calibration targets, and digital integration with the Gutmann ecosystem allows connection to diagnostic devices such as Mega Max X, S20, and Plus, as well as external systems. Two licensing models, including a free option, provide flexible access, and ongoing software updates promise continued expansion, including 360 degrees surround view calibration. By combining automation, cloud connectivity, and scalable integration, CSC Tool PRO offers workshops a future-proof platform for precise, efficient, and fully documented ADAS advanced driver assistance systems calibration, supporting the growing complexity of driver assistance systems in modern vehicles. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.